A PTI certification is an investment in your profession. With PTI PT Field Personnel Certification, you can comply with the project specification requirements, demonstrate your knowledge of post-tensioning, and procure more opportunities in any post-tensioning projects. The Post-Tensioning Institute is the provider of industry-leading education for post-tensioning, installers, inspectors, engineers, and others who are vital to ensuring the performance, serviceability, durability, and safety for any post-tensioned construction. PTI offers 6 nationally recognized field personnel certification workshops. These workshops cover a broad range of post-tensioning applications, including high-rise construction, slab-on-ground applications, repair, rehabilitation, and strengthening, and multi-strand post-tensioning. PTI's field personnel certification workshops comply with requirements of IBC, ACI 318, and ACI 301. Projects designed in accordance with ACI 318 building code requirements for structural concrete include, by reference to ACI 301, specification for concrete construction, the following minimum certification requirements for project workforce. 1. At least 50% of the post-tensioning installation crew shall be certified PTI Level 1 unbonded. 2. The post-tensioning installation crew foreman shall be certified PTI Level 2 unbonded. 3. The foreman in charge of the post-tensioning stressing operations shall be certified PTI Level 2 unbonded. 4. At least 50% of the field stressing crew shall be certified PTI Level 2 unbonded. 5. The other 50% of the field stressing crew shall be certified at least PTI Level 1 unbonded. And 6. The inspector of the post-tensioning operations shall be certified PTI Level 2 unbonded. For multi-strand and grouted post-tensioning, utilizing ACI 301 specification, at least 50% of the installation personnel shall be certified at PTI Level 1 multi-strand and grouted PT installation. The crew foreman shall be certified at PTI Level 2 multi-strand and grouted PT specialist. For multi-strand and grouted PT projects, utilizing the PTI ASBI M50.3 specification, the following are required minimum certification requirements for the project workforce. The direct supervisor of post-tensioning operations shall be certified as PTI Level 2 multi-strand and grouted PT specialist. The foreman of each installation and stressing crew shall be certified as PTI Level 2 multi-strand and grouted PT specialist. The foreman of each grouting crew shall be certified as PTI Level 2 multi-strand and grouted PT specialist and ASBI certified grouting technician. At least 25% of each crew shall be certified in PTI Level 1 multi-strand and grouted PT installation. When you are ready to become PTI certified, you can follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find a certification workshop and location. Step 2. Prepare for the exam using PTI workbooks and instruction given by a qualified instructor. And Step 3. Take your exam. Alternatively, PTI can come to your office, project site, or any other location to offer a certification workshop for your project team. To learn more about PTI PT personnel certification workshops, visit posttensioning.org/certification or call 248-848-3180. Expand your knowledge and skill sets with a post-tensioning field personnel certification program and become PTI certified.